With ProdCamp, you can publish your roadmap in minutes, and once it's deployed, feedback is not going through plain telephone anymore, and users can directly share new problems by clicking on the Suggest ID button right here. So then proposals will be centralized in your feedback inbox along with other feedback types. This unlocks your ability to map feedback to feature IDs and identify prioritization signals. All feedback champions you can then contact and interview. So if you consider this proposal relevant, you have two options. You can either select and link this feedback to one or several existing feature or problem by looking into your feature database like this and just click link here in the feature opportunity already exists. Or you can create a new feature ID out of the feedback here. Describe it and fill in all relevant fields before deciding if you're going to make it public or keep it private for the moment. Once it is done, don't forget to mark the feedback as processed. This is the most efficient way to keep user in the loop and engage with personal feedback notifications like this one. We'll dive deeper into how now not only can your client verbatim and insights be retrieved within feature objects, but also how you can use feedback to measure influence revenue per feature in another video.